Okay, we're in the middle of our model shoot right here in Tampa Bay. And there's a lot of people out here fishing on the dock. So we're going to walk over here and see if this guy will let me throw his fishing net. Let's see. They've been staring at me the whole time. Let's see if I can get them to let me do what I want to do. You catching any fish?
No, not yet.
No?
Not yet.
How do you throw that thing?
Yeah. You got anything, that's for sure. Yeah.
Can you show me how to do it? I'm kind of interested.
Oh, Lord. Let's see here. It's kind of weird. First thing you have to do is have to get your flip it up. Now, only problem is if you lose the net, you have to go in the water and
Oh,
get it.
shit. Okay, I'm not going to lose it.
Slide there on your own. Now, what you want to do is slide your rope up. That's the hook right there. You want to kind of loop it like that,
Okay.
like that, like that. And just keep looping it. And it's heavy too. It's not light.
Yeah.
So you're doing a photo shoot for who?
A bikini company based out of Clearwater.
Oh,
But we
okay.
also have a YouTube channel, so
Oh.
we'll just try and keep new content for our subscribers watching.
And when you finish, you gotta take a picture with this man because this is it.
Okay.
That's fine, I gotta go home.
Oh gosh. Right there. Loop it around. Slide down a little bit. The other way.
Otherwise this way?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Now you're gonna lay it down. This is where you got to spread it out.
He's trying to do it, so I don't have to do it anymore.
Also in there, see that's the hard part. You gotta throw that like that. And then once you hold that, grab this with the other hand. And you gotta flip it up like that. There it's open. And when you cast it, you just cast it out.
Oh Lord. Here comes the...
You gotta throw it from the other side.
On this side?
Yeah.
Ah!
What the heck, you gotta high heels too, I want to see what you're wearing.
Yeah, you ain't gonna throw that net to me. That's hard.